I'm Greg Blythe with Never a Dull Moment, and on behalf of the Queen Store, I'm excited to share with you how to use this knife sharpener and share with you a lot of the different features and options that come with it. So this knife sharpener has an ergonomic design. It's able to be used with my right hand or left hand. You'll also notice that it has a silicone non-stick surface on the bottom, and it's flat, so it sits safely on a flat surface, so it can't be moved during sharpening. Also, you're going to notice that this has a 1, 2, 3 different slots. Okay, so it's a 3-stage sharpening. The first stage is going to be your coarses at 360. It is made of diamond, so it's able to sharpen any of the metals that you have for your knives, whether they're European or Asian knives. And then we have a mid grit at 600 grit, and also we have diamonds. So what you're going to want to do on the coarsest is you're going to want to use this when you have a damaged or very dull blade. You can start here if you really have a dull knife, but then you're always going to want to go to number 2 after that. This is going to put your V shape. Again, it's made of diamonds, so it's going to finish that V shape and really clean up the edge. But if you don't have a damaged or chipped knife, you can actually start here for your daily sharpening as well as your weekly sharpening. But no matter where you start, you're always going to finish with slot 3. Slot 3 is going to have your ceramic. It's going to deburr, which means it's going to pull off any loose metal that's on the edge and clean up the blade. Okay, so let's demonstrate how to use this. So what we're going to do is we're going to take our knife. Now you can actually push and pull on this. You can go forwards and backwards. So I'm doing about 5 pulls. Now you could just pull in one direction. I mean, if that's more comfortable, you can do a push and pull or just a pull. And now you've really taken some metal off the edge to make a new edge. Now we want to go through the middle. Remember, you can push or pull. And that's going to set the V shape. But no matter what, after number 2, you're going to go to number 3. And this is going to really clean your edge. So whether you push and pull or just pull, you're going to clean the edge and remove any loose metal that's on the knife. And now you have a sharp knife. Come on now, that was sharp. So on behalf of the Queen Store, I hope that was helpful. Thank you for watching.